Well, the curlew is special. It is one of our largest waders with a beautiful haunting call, but this bird species is in serious trouble across large parts of Britain. Between 1994 and 2016, the curlew population declined by 68% in Wales. The UK regularly hosts up to 1/4 of the global curlew breeding population, and the curlew is now considered the most pressing bird conservation priority in the UK. In response, the RSPB has initiated a curlew trial management project to test whether a combined package of habitat management and predator control can successfully recover curlew populations on their breeding grounds. This involves 6 study areas in the UK, including the one in North Wales, Uplands, which I visited last year. As Wales species champion for the curlew, I also recently attended the Curlew Country presentation in Shropshire, a lowland project to bring curlews back in Shropshire and the Welsh Marches, which is where there has been a 30% decline in the last decade. This has also emphasised the need for predator control, where the fox and then badger are by far the biggest cause of egg failure. They called for more and better monitoring of breeding curlews, use of electric fences to protect nests, support through agri-environment schemes for farmers on whose land curlews are nesting, and head-starting chicks in captivity prior to release into the wild.